And by virtue of my, my authority as Vice-Chancellor, it's my absolute honour to award you the degree of Doctor of the University, honoris causa. Congratulations.
Vice-Chancellor, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, university staff, graduates, and guests. Good, I guess it's still morning or good afternoon. It's truly an honor, and I'm humbled to be in front of you today to receive this honorary degree from the University of Birmingham. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude because when I started this journey, I was not sure where it would take me, but here I am. Having gone through a heinous crime that transformed my life in many ways, I used alcohol for 2.5 years as a coping mechanism. I did not want to continue living, and I had changed to a point where I had not recognized myself. The pain was too much, but then seated somewhere, contemplating on what to do next, I remembered at 8 years old, I wanted to do some humanitarian work. But I had not identified what. A still small voice whispered, "Why not? Use your personal experience to address sexual violence in Kenya." And that's how Wangu Kanja Foundation was born. Fast forward to 2018, I met a group of researchers in Nairobi, and we initiated a conversation on how best they can deliver findings to vulnerable communities to bring about the desired change and impacts. Knowledge is power, information is power. That's how I met Professor Heather Flo and her amazing team of students. We were able to conduct numerous research and continue to do amazing work together, ensuring that survivors are treated with dignity and respect, while ensuring that they are able to access justice in a timely manner. I confess it has not been easy to champion the rights of survivors towards breaking the barriers to enhance their voice, choice, and agency. Having supported more than 13,000 survivors 2 decades later, the Wangu Kanja Foundation is disrupting the space to ensure that interventions are survivor-centered, trauma-informed, and in the best interest of survivors in Kenya, in Africa, and in the world. I want to encourage all graduates that anything is possible with commitment, consistency, passion, and some prayer. It's also okay once in a while to feel disappointed, frustrated, disheartened, and annoyed, because at times things don't work as we expect them to. But guess what? The joy when you look back and see what you have achieved over the years will be astounding. Allow yourself to dream. Dreams are valid. And as one of my friends keeps on encouraging me, dream big or go home. I did it, so can you. Thank you and congratulations.